Your brain isn't lazy, it's physically damaged. 1,000 hours of neuroscience research prove that cheap dopamine spikes have literally fried your receptors. That is why real life feels boring. Here's the 5-step to fix it gooning addiction before this video ends. 1. Your dopamine receptors require exactly 90 days of clean baseline living to physically heal. If you quit for 2 weeks and relapse, you survive the absolute hardest phase for nothing. Let the brain heal. 2. Stop relying on willpower. It always runs out. You need a better environment. Move your phone charger out of your room, delete the apps, and put a hard book on your desk. Make bad habits require massive effort. 3. You cannot kill a habit. You can only replace it. Your nervous system misses the reward, not the action. Force that empty energy into a real-world challenge. Progressive overload in the gym or mastering code. 4. Make relapsing painful. Set up a financial penalty where a relapse forces you to pay an amount of money that actually hurts, or use intense social pressure by letting 3 people you respect check in on you. 5. Never say forever. Your brain will panic. Just promise yourself 7 days. Conquer one short micro round at a time and build the muscle in stages. Subscribe to Nexor, comment 1 week below, and I will check on you in exactly 7 days. I'll see you in the next one.